2-3 problems. Mathematics 1B. Fifth chapter, 3-dimensional coordinates. Exercise 5B problems. Exercise 5B problems. First one is first bit, second problem. Find the coordinates of the vertex C of triangle ABC if its centroid is the origin and the vertices A comma B are 1 comma 1 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 4 comma 1. This is the triangle ABC. A vertex 1 comma 1 comma 1, B vertex minus 2 comma 4 comma 1. Centroid is the origin. Given that the centroid of the origin is the centroid of the triangle is origin. Vertex A 1 comma 1 comma 1, vertex B minus 2 comma 4 comma 1. Find the vertex C. Find the vertex C. Let the A point 1 comma 1 comma 1, B point minus 2 comma 4 comma 1. Centroid G is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. Let C vertex x comma y comma z. C x comma y comma z be the third vertex of a triangle ABC. Let C x comma y comma z be the third vertex of a triangle. Let A vertex x1 y1 z1, B vertex x2 y2 z2, C vertex x3 y3 z3. The centroid of the triangle G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3 is the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle G is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. x1 1 plus x2 minus 2 plus x3 x whole divided by 3, y1 1 y2 4 y3 y by 3, z1 1 z2 1 z3 z by 3. 0 comma 0 comma 0 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So x minus 1 by 3, y plus 4 plus 1 5 by 3, z plus 1 plus 1 2 by 3. Equating x coordinates, x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Equating y coordinates, y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 0. Equating z coordinates, z plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. 0 into something 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. 0 into something 0, y plus 5 is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. 0 into something 0, z plus 2 is equal to 0, z is equal to minus 2. Therefore, third vertex C x comma y comma z is equal to 1 comma minus 5 comma minus 2 is the answer. 1 comma minus 5 comma minus 2 is the third vertex of the triangle. Again, third problem. Next, third one is if 3 comma 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1 comma 1 and 6 comma 2 comma 5 are 3 vertices and 4 comma 2 comma 2 is the centroid of a tetrahedron. Find the fourth vertex. Very most important problem. If 3 comma 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1 comma 1 and 6 comma 2 comma 5 are 3 vertices and 4 comma 2 comma 2 is the centroid of a tetrahedron. Find the fourth vertex. This is the tetrahedron. This is the vertex A, this is the vertex B, this is the vertex C. A vertex 3 comma 2 comma minus 1, B vertex 4 comma 1 comma 1, C vertex 6 comma 2 comma 5, centroid 4 comma 2 comma 2. Find the fourth vertex of a tetrahedron. Here given that A vertex 3 comma 2 comma minus 1, B vertex 4 comma 1 comma 1, C vertex 6 comma 2 comma 5, centroid 4 comma 2 comma 2. Let D is equal to x comma y comma z be the fourth vertex of a tetrahedron. Dx comma y comma z be the fourth vertex. Dx comma y comma z be the fourth vertex of a tetrahedron. Let A vertex x1 y1 z1, B vertex x2 y2 z2, C vertex x3 y3 z3, D vertex x4 y4 z4. The centroid of the tetrahedron is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4 is the centroid of the tetrahedron. Here centroid of the tetrahedron is equal to 4 comma 2 comma 2 is equal to, adding all x coordinates, x1 3, x2 4, x3 6, x4 x by 4, y1 2, y2 1, y3 2, y4 y by 4, z1 minus 1, z2 plus 1, z3 5, z4 z by 4. 4 comma 2 comma 2 is equal to x plus 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 4, y plus 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 by 4, minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, z plus 5 by 4. Equating x coordinates, x plus 13 by 4 is equal to 4. Equating y coordinates, y plus 5 by 4 is equal to 2. Equating z coordinates, z plus 5 by 4 is equal to 2. x plus 13 equal to 4 4s are 16, x is equal to 16 minus 13, x equal to 3. Y plus 5 equal to 2 4s are 8, y is equal to 8 minus 5, y is equal to 3. Taking 4 right side, z plus 5 equal to 4 2s are 8, z is equal to 8 minus 5, z is equal to 3. Therefore, fourth vertex dx comma y comma z is equal to 3 comma 3 comma 3 is the answer. Here given that centroid of the tetrahedron, find the centroid and equating centroid getting the fourth vertex. This is the most important problem. Again, this is the fourth problem. Very important problem. Find the distance. Find the distance between the midpoint of the line segment, midpoint of the line segment AB and the point 3 comma minus 1 comma 2, where A point 6 comma 3 comma minus 4 and B point minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Most very important problem. Find the distance between the midpoint of line segment to AB and the point 3 comma minus 1 comma 2, where A point, here given that A point 6 comma 3 comma minus 4 and B point minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. A point 6 comma 3 comma minus 4, B point minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Here find the, observe it clearly, this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the midpoint of AB, C is the midpoint of AB and another point 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. This is the distance between the 2 points. Here find the distance CD. C is the midpoint of AB. The distance between the midpoint of AB and 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. So here we find the distance between the 2 points C and D. Here C is the midpoint of AB. Here given question, find the distance between the midpoint of AB and 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. So first of all here find the midpoint of AB, C. Here C is the midpoint of AB. First of all find the midpoint. Let A point x1 y1 z1, B point x2 y2 z2. The midpoint of AB. Let C is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint C is equal to A plus B by 2, means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. C is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 minus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2, minus 4 plus 2 by 2. C is equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by 2, 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2 1s are. 2 1s are 2 1s are. 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. C is equal to 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. Here C is the midpoint. 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. Here find the distance between the 2 points C and D. C point to 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. D point to 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. Let C point x1 y1 z1. D point x2 y2 z2. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. x2 3 minus x1 2 whole square. y2 minus 1 y1 1 whole square. z2 2 minus z1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square under root. CD equal to 3 minus 2 1 square minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. 2 plus 1 3 square under root. CD equal to 1 square 1 minus 2 whole square 4 3 square 9 under root. CD is equal to 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14. The distance between the midpoint of AB and point 3 comma minus 1 comma 2 is root 14. This is a very important problem. In this problem, this chapter is completed.